In this section, we are going to learn regarding simple interest and compound interest. As of you know about simple interest and compound interest, you have done in your degree days, that is in the quantitative techniques in compound interest and in BCom and BBM courses. As you know, simple interest means PTR divided by 100, that is principal time rate divided by 100, and you know that compound interest means principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power of n minus p. So in order to calculate simple interest and compound interest, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. But yeah, this is the right formula, but at the same time we cannot calculate by using these formulas in the examination due to time consideration. So time consideration ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. For example, if you take for example, suppose the principal is 10,000, rate is 10% and time is 2 years. So what you will do? You will directly take this formula and put it like this. So 10,000 into 10 into 2 by 100. 0 will cancel. So likewise you will do. Okay. So 100 into 10, 1000 into 2, that is 2000. That is also possible, but directly you can say. So since the time is 2 years, you know that rate is fixed. Every year it is 10% only. So 10% plus 10% it is 20%. So 20% of principal 10,000 is 2,000. So directly you can say. Or else always remember principal is 100%. So profit and loss ಅಲ್ಲಿ cost 100% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು principal ನ 100% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Always remember. Okay? So if principal is 100%, now look at it. So 100% is equal to principal given. How much? 10,000. What do you want? You want 20%. So 20% is equal to question mark. So 10,000 into 20% divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So 2,000 is the right answer. So that is also easy now, sir. Yeah, that is also easy. It's up to you how you are going to. Suppose principal will not give, interest will give. Then what you will say? You know that 20% you know, right? But you don't know. 20% if 20% 2,000 is given, then you need to calculate the 100%. That is principal. How will you calculate? 2,000 into 100 divided by 20. 21s are 20, 100s are 100 into 100. It is 10,000. So that's how you can easily calculate the simple interest concept. When it's come to the compound interest, so compound interest ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, we cannot use this formula, okay? So since we have that is n is there, so we can't calculate the power, okay? So that is the reason what we will do, we will go by other method. So it is another formula to find out the compound interest, a plus b plus ab by 100. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. So in order to calculate compound interest, what I will do? I will take the rate here, okay? Rate. What is the rate? 10%. Again, second year 10%. Then 10 into 10 by 100. So 20 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So 21%. So in simple interest it is 20%. It is compound interest. It is 21%. Sir, this is for 2 years. What about if it is more than 2 years? So more than 2 years ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ again ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 21% ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? again 10% plus 21 into 10 divided by 100. So 21 plus 10, it is 31 plus this will come to 2.1. So 33.1% for 3 years. This is for 2 years. This is for 3 years. So likewise ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ 2 years ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 21% ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ 100% is equal to 10,000. ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ 21% is equal to question mark. So 10,000 into 21 divided by 100. So it is 2,100. So since the simple interest it is 2,000, so compound interest it is 2,100. So this is the basic of simple interest and compound interest. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದು. Let us solve some questions. Let us see the first question, student. Simple interest on an after 24 months. So this is simple interest formula. Time is given. That is 24 months. So 24 months andre ಎಷ್ಟು years students? 2 years. At the rate ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, rate is equal to 2% per quarter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. Per quarter ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 months ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ? 4 quarters ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 year ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? 8%. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? 2 years ಗೆ. 2 years ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 16%. Time is 2 years, rate is 16%. Now what do you need to calculate? What is the amount? And simple interest is given. Simple interest is equal to how much? 960. You always remember student, principal is equal to 100% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Amount is equal to principal plus interest ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್? 960. ಆ 960 ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 16%. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ? 16%. ಆ 16% ಎಷ್ಟು? 960. 16% ಎಷ್ಟು? 960. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಬೇಕೀಗ? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 100%. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 960 into 100 divided by 60. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 16 ನೋಡಿ, 16 half ಎಷ್ಟು? 80 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 5 is 80. 80 plus 60 96. This is 6 lakh. So 6,000 is the principal amount. Okay student, let us move on to the next question. The simple interest obtained on a certain amount at ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ obtained on a certain amount ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. at 7.5% per annum ನೋಡಿ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 7.5% per annum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. per annum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 7.5%. ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 years. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 7.5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 15% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 2 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 15%. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 232.5. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನಾವು ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಗೇನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಈ 232 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟು? 15% ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. 232.5. ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? 100% is equal to question. Cross multiply 232.5 into 100 divided by 50. So divided by 15 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ you can go, or ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 232,500 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ 15 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, 15 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1550. ಹೌ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ 15 1s are 50, ಸರಿನಾ? ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? 82 ಇದೆ. 15 ಇಂದ 82 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 15 5s are 75. 82 or 75 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 75. 15 5s are 75. 1050. So the answer will be 1550. Okay student, let us move on to the next question. What will be the simple interest on 10,000 after 3 years at the rate of 5% per quarter? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 10,000 and time is 3 years, rate is 5% per quarter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. 5% per quarter, but 1 year ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 4 quarters. ಸೊ 1 year ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 20%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ ಇದೆ? 3 years. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 3, ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 60%. ಸೊ 100% ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 100% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 100% is equal to 10,000. Okay student, now you need to calculate 60%. So 60% is equal to question mark. Cross multiply. So that will be 6,000 rupees. Okay student, so simple interest, it's very easy to calculate, but you need to understand the concept here. Rate quarter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಾ, yearly ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಾ, half yearly ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, let us take the next example. Karan took a loan on simple interest at the rate of 12% per year. After 8 months, he paid rupees 8,100. How much loan was taken by Karan? Okay student, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನು? ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 12% per year ಅಥವಾ per annum ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 8 monthsಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡಿ, 8 monthsಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ 8 monthsಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ what is given? paid. he has paid amount ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 8,100. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 8 months ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 12%, ಸೊ 8 monthsಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 8% ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 1 month 1% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 8 monthsಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 8. We can directly calculate now. So you know the amount, right? Amount is to 100 plus 8%. That is 108% is equal to 8,100. So 100% is equal to question mark. Cross multiply 8,100 into 100 divided by 108. So this will come to around. You can divide this one. 108. ನೋಡಿ 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Since this is 81 is divided by 9, so 9 9s are 108 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 9 10s are ಎಷ್ಟು? 90. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? 18. 18 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 9 ಇಂದ? ಎಸ್. 9 2s are ಎಷ್ಟು? 80. 90 plus 18 108. This is 12s. Then 9, this will become 90,000 divided by 12. So 90,000 divided by 12 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರೌಂಡ್ the answer will come around 7. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ 12 9s ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 8s ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 7s ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 12 7s. How much? It is 84. Again we have 60. 12 5s. So 7,500 is the right answer. Okay students, let us move on to the next question. An amount becomes 8,800 in 4 years at 15% per annum. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಂತೆ? ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 4 years ಅಂತೆ. 4 years ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 15% ಅಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, 15% per annum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ. 4 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 60%. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ, 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. and amount becomes rupees 8,800 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. And principal amount becomes 8,800. Okay student, so then this 8,800 means what? Principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. Principal is how much? 100% plus interest is so much? 60%. So 160% is equal to 8,800. You need to calculate 100%, that is principal. Cross multiply 8,800 into 100 divided by 160. So 60, see, 0 zeros will get cancelled. You can divide by 8 only. Okay, 8 2s are 8 1s are 1s are 2 1s are 2 50s. So 11 5s are 5,500. 11 5s are 55. So illon 0 ಇದೆ, illon 0 ಇದೆ, 2 0 ಹಾಕಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 5,500. Okay students, let us see the next question. Rupees 850 is invested for 3 years at the rate of 7.5% per year on simple interest. So principal is given 850, time is given 3 years, rate is given 7.5%. So what will be the total amount? Total amount means principal plus interest. So interest ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ into 3 years. 17.5 plus 17.5, it is 35. 35 plus 17.5, it is 52.5%. So rate is 52.5% student. We know that principal is 850. What is principal? 100% is equal to 850. First we will calculate this one, then we can calculate amount. That is principal plus amount. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 100 plus 52.5, that is 152.5 ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 152.5%. ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್ 152.5%? Since we are calculating the amount ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 100% plus interest, that is 52.5% is equal to question. Okay student, ಬರೀ 52.5 ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 850 into 152.5 divided by 100. So 0 0 will get cancelled. So this will become 8.5. 10 by 85 divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8.5. So then you multiply these two. So if you multiply, the answer will come to 1296.5. So how to do that, sir? You have to do it, student, because since we are calculating, you go by tens are, okay? 1525 tens are 1525 tens are ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1525 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1525 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in 1 times ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ first 152.5. So this will become 12 5 ಆದರೆ 7 3 1372. Okay, again in ಮಾಡಿ, see this is minus into 1, again minus into 0.5. So 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 152.5 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಧ 0.5 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 150 ಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 75, 2 ಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1, 0.5 ಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 0.25. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 76.25. Then this will become 5 2 12 6 over 6, that is 16 over 7 over 9 and 2 1296.25. exactly you will get student. Okay, so split and merging ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ನಾನು, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Let us move on to the next question, student. Shilpa took a loan of rupees 800 at the rate of 11% per year for 7 months. How much does she need to pay at the end of 7 months? So she has taken a loan of rupees 800. Okay, that is the principal is 800 rupees, and the rate of interest is how much? 11%. ನೋಡಿ 11% per annum ಅಥವಾ per year ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But she has to repay back after 7 months. Okay, time is only 7 months. 7 months ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is nothing but 7/12 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Because this is ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. 11% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ ಆ್ಯನಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 7/12 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ 7 months ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ 800 into 7/12. Okay, sorry. What is the rate of interest? First we will calculate for 11%. We will calculate the interest for 1 year. So how much it will be? 88 rupees. Okay. This 88 rupees is for 1 year. We need to calculate for 7 months. So 88 into 7/12. So then this will come to around directly you can calculate 12 8s are 12 8s you can go. No, 12 7s are. Yeah, 12 7s are you can go. And overall you can directly calculate. Okay, overall it will come to 51.33. So if you calculate, if you multiply 88 into 7 and divided by 12 also, you will get 51.33. Okay, around 51.33. So amount means 800 plus 51.33 is nothing but 851. Okay, that is option number 1. Okay, let us see in the next question. Mayara invests an amount of 18,000 to obtain a simple interest at the rate of 15% per annum for 6 years. What is the total amount Mayara get after 6 years? So here directly given everything. That is principal amount given how much? 18,000. Rate of interest given how much? 15%. Time is 6 years. So 15% for 6 years. Simple interest means what? Just multiply with the number of years. 15 into 6, 90%. Okay. What do you need to calculate? What total amount? Total amount means principal plus interest. So here principal is 100%, you know, that is 18,000. What do you need to know? You need to know amount. Amount means principal plus interest. 100% plus 90%. 190%. It will come question mark. So 18,000 into 190 divided by 100. 100 zeros cancel. So 18 into 19 student. What is 18 square? 18 square is how much? 820. So you can go by that way also. Or 18 into 20. That will be 36. So 36 minus 1 time. That way also you can go. Okay, so overall you can go by this way also. 180 into 190, 3 digit multiplication. 0 0 again 8 9s are 72 7 again 8 1s are 8 9 1s are 9 8 plus 9 it is 17 17 plus 7 34 sorry 24 2 1 1s are 1 1 plus 2 3 34,200. Okay, student. So that way also, or else you can directly say, what is the 90% of 18,000? What is 10% of 18,000? 1,080. 18,000, it is 100%. If you want 90%, what do you need to? You need to deduct 10%. That is 1,800. 18,000 minus 1,800. That will come to 16,200. So if you add 16,200 plus 18,000 also, you need not to do everything here. Okay, students? 34,200, that is fourth option. Okay, let us see the next question here. You can solve that question. Okay, let us see the 10th one here. 10th one. An amount doubles itself at the end of 8 years with a certain rate of simple interest. What will be the simple interest on rupees 8,000? That rate at the end of 4 years. Okay, rate at the end of 4 years ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. If this is the kind of question, you can directly say, okay, the principal amount is 8,000 given. Rate of interest we don't know. We don't know the rate of interest. time is what? 4 years. Okay, time is 4 years. And amount doubles itself at the end of 8 years with a certain rate of simple interest. So with a certain rate of simple interest, you can go by rate of interest formula also. So rate of interest formula is equal to 100 into I divided by time into principal. This way also you can go. Okay, this way also you can go. But here simple interest is given. What will be the total simple interest on rupees 8,000? Interest is not given here. Again, you don't know the rate also, but you know the time. That is 4 years. How it will appear? It will appear like this. Time is 4 years and principal is 10,000. Sorry, 8,000. Yeah, principal is 8,000. So this way it will appear. You can directly say that it will again this will become to 25. So again, overall this you can do, but don't go by this way. Go by the easiest method. That is, rate of interest is equal to what? Only double. Okay, directly the rate of interest is doubled. It is 1 by 8. On 8 years 1 by 8 and then what will happen? Directly you calculate. So 8,000 into 1 by 8 for 4 years. 4 by 8 or 1 by 8. 4 years it will come here. So it will double. Okay. So for that way also you can do. So 4 2s are 2 4s are 8. So that is 4,000 is the right answer. Okay, students. So this is regarding the simple interest. Now we move on to the compound interest problems. Okay, students, let us move on to the compound interest problem. Like I have given in the introduction part. So compound interest problems formulas will be like this. Okay. Look at the first question, student. What will be the compound interest on rupees 5,000? Okay, now principal is given. How much? 5,000 for 2 years. Time is given 2 years. And at the rate of 12%. Rate is given 12%. But since this is a compound interest problem, you need to calculate compound interest. You can't directly multiply with the time. Okay? 12 into 2 and madangilla. That's simple interest matra. You will use the effective percentage formula. That is 12 plus 12 plus 12 into 12 by 100. So 12 plus 12 is 24. 12 square. So nodi illela illu use agutte nimge squares cubes ella illi nimge easy aguttade. That is 144. 144 by 100 it is 1.44. So 25.44%. Okay. We got the compound interest. What is the question? What will be the compound interest? You need to calculate the compound interest. What is compound interest? 25%. 25.44%. So 25.44 into 5,000 by 100. So 0 will get cancelled. So will you get, or you can write 100 here also, here also. Both will be same. Okay. So now you need to multiply. How will you multiply? First you multiply this 25 into 5. What is 25 into 5? 125. That is 1,250. Okay, students. Now we need to multiply. Let us see here. First I multiplied these two. 50 into 25. That is 1,250. Now you multiply 50 into 0.44. Before going to 0.44, let us check. What is 1%? Sorry, what is 10% of 50? 10% of 50 is 5. Okay, student. 10% of 50 is what? 5. Sorry, that is 5. What is 1%? 1% will be 0.50. Okay, student. So, are you getting right? So, that's how you can find the answer here. Okay. So, you know that this is 1%. How much we want? 0.44%. What is 0.44%? You can directly calculate also. 44 into 5 also you can go. What is 44 into 5? 44 into 5 will come up to 44 half. 22 it will come. Okay. 44 into 2. 44 into 5. 44 into 5 what? It is 22. 44 is half anta. So half anta is 22. So the answer may come around 1272. Here also you can get the same answer. Okay, 1%. Again, you have to deduct 0. Somewhere. So this will be messy. Okay, you can directly go by this way also. Okay, you need not to do all this. So the answer is 1272. That is third option. Okay, look at the next question. What will be the compound interest on 5,000 for 2 years at 7% per annum? Okay, same question, but instead of 12% they have given 7%. How will you do? Same method. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 into 7 by 100. So this will come to 14 plus 7 7s are. It is 49 by 100. 49 by 100 means what? 0.4. So 14.49%. So again do the same thing. 5,000 into 14.49 by 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. Again do the same thing. First you multiply 50 into 10. Okay, go by that way. 50 into 10, 500. Again 50 into 4, it is 200. Then we need 0.50 into 0.49. Now look at student. What is 1%? It is 5. What is 0.5%? 0.5% or 49 into 5. We can go by that way also. What is half of 45 or 49? 24.5. Okay, so that is 24.5. You can directly say 24.5. So final answer may come 724.5. That is the second option. Okay, just split it and merge it. Look at the next question. Manish deposited some money in a bank at the rate of 6% per annum for 2 years at compound interest. ಯಾವಾಗ ಓದಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, how much money was deposited if he gets 1133,236 on maturity? Okay, he has deposited some money. That means they have not given the principal amount. We need to find the principal amount. Okay, but they have given the rate and time. Time is 2 years, rate is 6%. Let us find out the compound interest. 6 plus 6 plus 6 into 6 by 100. This will be 12 plus 6 6 are 36. 36 by 100 is 0.36. So you will get 12.33% as a compound interest. Now A is given. In this problem, amount is given. What is the amount? 11236. This is amount. What is amount? Principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. What is principal? 100%. What is interest? 12.36. So both you can say that 112.36% is equal to 11236. What is 100%? We need to calculate the principal. Principal is to 100%. Just cross multiply 11236 into 100 divided by 112.36. We can directly say. So tens is what? 1123.6. What is hundreds are? This is hundreds are, because we have a 2 points here, right? If you have 2 points, we put 2 zeros. The answer will come to 10,000. Okay. So that's how we can easily solve. So just need to think whether principal is given or amount is given. So ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಹಾಫ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Okay, if the annual increase in the population of a town is 4% and the present population is 16,224, what was the population 2 years ago? 2 years ago andre enu? Again it is a principal amount antane tilkoli. So 2 years back estitu amount anta. So again we need to find the principal here. 2 time is 2 years ago. Rate of interest is they have given 4%. Okay, 4%. So how to find the 4%? It's just like a compound interest. Every year 4% will increase. So then 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 4 by 100. So this is 8 plus 4 fours are 16. That is 0.16. 8.16. Okay, this is compound interest. Okay, amount is given, right? What is amount? 16,224. So what is amount? 108.16 is equal to 16,224. What is 100%? Just cross multiply. 16,224 into 100 divided by 108.16. Normally ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 10s are 108.16. what is 100s are? It is 10,860. now look at here, somewhere around matching. Okay, what is half of this number? 10,000 half is to 5,000, 800 half is to 400, 16 half is to 8. That is 5,408. This is 5s are, this is 10s are, sorry 100s are, this is 50s are. Okay, so then this will come to 16,224. so exactly this is 150 times. so 150 into 100, it is 15,000. So look at the next question here. Brijesh borrowed a sum of rupees 2,000 at 2% per month simple interest on yearly basis. It was decided that if the sum would not be returned at the end of year, interest would be charged on the fixed interest. That means compound interest. If the sum was returned after 2 years, then how much did Brijesh pay? So next question ante kelidane. Let us see. Okay, Brijesh borrowed 2,000. Okay, principal is given 2,000 and 2% per month. Okay, this is for 2 years, right? Yeah, 2 years. If the sum was returned after 2 years, then it is 2 years. Rate of interest is 2% per month. Okay, per month student. Then yearly it will be 24%. Per month 2%. 1 year ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 24 month. 2 years ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 1 year ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಂತೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಫಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತಂತೆ? ಫಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 24 plus 24 plus 24 into 24 by 100. So 48 plus 24 actually. So what is 24 square? You can do. So 24 square, it will come around for 25 square is 625. 24 5.76 something. 576 it will come to. So 576 means 5.76. 576 divided by 100 is nothing but 5.76. So if you add these three, okay, this will come to 53.76%. Okay, compound interest is 53.76%. So what they asked, if the sum was returned after 2 years, then how much did Brijesh pay? Sum returned after 2 years. After ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ 2 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? 100% is equal to 2,000. ಅವನು 100% ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ? 153.76% is equal to question mark. Cross multiply 2,000 into 153.76 divided by 100. 20 will get cancelled. What is 10s are? 153.76 10s is 1537.6. Again, one more 10s are 1537.6. So then this will be 3075. Okay, 3075. That is option number 3. So this is the introduction of compound interest.